What year is that? That one's the older one though, huh? They re-geared them and they changed a lot of stuff. That one's a 51.2 sprocket. It comes stock with that. I put a 52 on it, but it's probably a 49, isn't it? Yeah, that's what it comes with. No, I have a 52 because it comes with a 51. But Robert said a 1452, not 1352. He said that's a way better ticket.
I did on the older Yamahas. I do a 1451.
Really? I did that on the Hondas a couple times. That's good. But
Riders, you are on the track. All big bike advanced riders are on the track.
And no traction control. No traction control.
Definitely different.
That's crazy what a difference that makes. Makes that such a difference.
Yeah, it is.
I can't hit a rut without wheeling.
Yeah.
That's a big difference. Do you turn it up quite a bit?
Well, that it's the Chris Kiefer map, so it is a lot more aggressive than the smooth one.
Do you like it better that way?
I don't know. I feel like the traction control could always be on a little bit. Either that or maybe the map. I don't know. I should have adjusted one at a time, but maybe the traction control could be on, or the map could be a little mellower. Just at least until I get used to it. But other than that, it's good. Like, I just was like having a little trouble with getting to stay in the corner more. But
The bike feels really good.
yeah, it's awesome.
What's weird about that is that it doesn't feel all rigid like a lot of the aluminum frame bikes do.
Yeah, and I think this is an even stiffer frame than the last year one. Pretty sure.
That's crazy.
I don't know for a fact, but I think it is. But yeah, I like it. It's good to ride outdoors in something that's like actual normal condition. I rode like turf outdoors, not super dark night track outdoors, and then the other day was like sand. This sucked.
Yeah.
But it's good to ride like a normal condition.
Yeah.
But even like, I washed my front end over a berm kind of. Like I felt it going though, and I like made up for it. It wasn't just like it caught me off guard and was like, bam, I'm down.
Yeah.
You know, it was crazy.
That's what Honda's always did to me.
Yeah.
I'm about to go and it's going.
Yeah.
That's a good bike. I like it. I can see how you fell in love with it after you rode it.